1st March is the new 1st Jan. Hey then, welcome to Random Weeks in My Life vlog. I know it's winters and I usually don't wear coconut scents in winters, but this movie just calls out to it. So this is my little scent combo for today. Eating my favorite Puran Poli, and my mom just came from India. So good, tastes different, authentic Maharashtrian stuff. Some clothes, my Nykaa parcel. You'll need to stay tuned for the haul. A lot of snacks, so you have a lot of these bingo stuff, and like my favorite bakarwadi, chakli, fugyas, cake, and yummy. This is spicier than the Korean spice also. I got distracted by that random market there, but yeah, let's go on our walk. Also, why do I feel weird? Like, does no one wear like wired headphones anymore? another thing to do is you can make something new. It can be a dessert or anything like a comfort food. I really love to like put together quick pastas. So I usually like normal pastas, but for the first time I'm going to try this one. It's gnocchi. Do not mind my pronunciation, but I keep seeing it in people's Italy vlogs, trying this in like tomato sauce. I found this sauce, and by the way, these two are from Viva. It is a grocery store. So yeah, let us try to make this for the first time, and I will let you all know how it tastes. Also, this is made out of potato, and I was really craving mashed potatoes, so I felt like this is going to be that perfect comfort dish. Since I'm making this for the first time, we are going to read instructions because y'all know what happened last time. So the instruction says, pour the gnocchi straight from the packet into a saucepan of salted boiling water and then strain as soon as it comes to the surface. Okay, it's been like 5 minutes and this is starting to like soften. So let's strain this water. This smells so good. It's like tomato, cheese, soft pasta, yummy. Now let's just enjoy this with some comfort movie. We are going to Italy! This is very random, but some midnight run cute things that I found. So I got this fudge cake, yummy, and this cute pen. But mostly, look at this sticker sheet. I'm obsessed. Isn't it like so cute? I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will find me. And that's an affirmation for you and for me. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my new vlog. This is a random week in my life vlog. And today is Friday. So according to this affirmations little book, let me read a little something for y'all. Keep thinking, keep interested, keep praying, and keep dreaming. So yeah, excuse how I look. This is kind of like a heatless curl thing. I know people do this like overnight, but I'm going for an event today, by the way. That's why I thought let me start this vlog, and I will take you guys later with me. So firstly, why I did not do this overnight is because last night I was doing my nails, and this is what it looks like. I'm loving like the French colored French tip look nails. So I did this. You can't really tell, but it's like this pink shade. It's called Bubble Trouble by Essence. I use that nail polish, and yeah, I am going to brush my teeth, have my breakfast, actually brush my teeth, take a shower, have my breakfast, because never have a shower after eating. Like always have your shower first and then eat, because it can cause digestive issues. So yeah, so I will see you all later. By the way, I have footage from like end of last month and a little from this month. I was not sure if I was going to vlog, but yeah, I will try to include it in this video. So I hope you like a little throwback. I still don't know what I'm going to name this video, but it's just a vlog from me. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Oh, I forgot to wet the brush. Who else hates that feeling? I woke up a little early and my eyes are feeling a little puffy, so I'm going to be applying this Jeju gel eye patches, and don't mind how the packaging looks. But that's how you know when you'll really use a product, right? This is the green tea one. Did I mention that? Do you all apply the gel eye patches this way or the other way around? I'm curious to know. I know I've not like put this properly. I don't really know how to use this, to be honest. Like, people do this Pinterest aesthetic, which I love and I'm trying to create, which I hope y'all are enjoying. But like, the reality is I am authentically Pinteresty, like realistic life Pinteresty, if is that what I want to call it. But yeah, I will try this again and give you all like a demo on how to put this. I also need to learn it myself, but this is just like the second time I'm using, second or third time I'm using it. So yeah, welcome to my realistic, authentic Pinterest life. Okay, so I redid this and I did a time lapse for y'all so y'all could see. And if y'all have tried this before, let me know if it worked for y'all. But yeah, I will give y'all my thoughts after a few tries. Let's take this out and see. By the way, my hair is like naturally wavy, so I don't know how much this actually worked. I need to really, but it does help like to, but initially I feel like it just helps to maintain my wavy hair. So I think that way it will work, but I need to try it a few more times and let y'all know. So that was my first impressions. I need to add a little serum. My hair is so frizzy, ignore that part. But yeah. Oh wait, I need to take these out as well. Ready for the day. It's 11:11. Make a wish, you guys. Peekaboo. Oh my god, this is so adorable. I'm all fresh and clean out of the shower and I smell good. Now let's do some makeup. Let's go from cute to glam. First, I'm going to tie my hair with this fuzzy claw clip. Now let's do some makeup and chit chat. It's been a while. Let's makeup and chit chat. I know y'all must have missed it, so let's keep talking and doing my makeup. I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer on my T-zone. So how are you guys doing? I hope your new year has been good so far. It's probably like already March by the time you'll watch this video, and in case y'all have not done what you had to do by 1st Jan yet, guess what, 1st March is the new 1st Jan. So yeah, but do not let any like timelines hold you back. Even if it's like Monday or like Wednesday or like the middle of the month, anytime you decide that you want to do something is the time to do it. So go do what is on your resolution or your bucket list or your vision board. Get that started. Using the e.l.f. Halo Glow to add some shine, and because I'm going for an event. Did I mention which event I was going for? I'm actually going for my first ever makeup launch event. If you all have heard of BPerfect Cosmetics, and if you all have tried it, do let me know. So they are launching in Lifestyle Gulf, which is in Center Point. And Center Point is such a nostalgia when it comes to makeup, because as a teenager, me and my friends used to go there to like purchase makeup, especially NYX Cosmetics. That was like my thing, the lip glosses, the butter gloss, and yeah, and also their lipsticks. I don't know what is it, but Copenhagen was my favorite shade. I know I mentioned that before, but yeah, it's like, and every time I go and see Center Point makeup, it's like nostalgia. And when I hauled the NYX products I recently brought in my previous video, that also gave me like super like nostalgia. Their products are really good, but I found them in H&M now. Guys, I'm really enjoying this concealer by Maybelline. The hype is real and the shade is perfect because it gives the right amount of coverage and you do not need to use any like color corrector. So yeah, I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, because I usually go like for fragrance events or like something that way, but have I got good makeup even before? I don't think so, but it's super exciting to like learn new techniques and stuff. I still don't know what is going to be there, so I will take you guys with me, so keep watching. I've been like overthinking so much nowadays, and if y'all are overthinking, this is your sign to like put that energy somewhere else into something more productive, something more useful, because trust me, overthinking is going to get you nowhere. So instead of overthinking, just like get up and do something else. For example, like I have to go today for this thing and I found out last night, and I'm like, oh, makeup event, people are going to be like dressed up very well, like my makeup professionals, and you all know how I do my makeup, very like simple-ish. So yeah, but I think I'm learning, and the whole point of that is, and the whole point of life is like the journey. So it's like you're learning the lessons in life, and yeah, I'm super excited also at the same time to go for it because I'm going to learn new stuff. But I see this event more like an opportunity to like learn makeup. So if there's anything that you don't know and you get like a chance to do it because you all are learning, and learning is like till the end of life. Like you will learn all your life, so make sure you all take the lessons with you. I'm using the K by Katrina's loose powder, and this powder is so good. It's like finely milled. I know BPerfect also has like their own loose powder, so I'm excited to try that because you all know my skin is like combination and like oily. I sweat a lot, so I like to try out like different powders which will like give me that matte look and also not too like drying, because my skin has been weird, like especially in winter. It's like it's dry but it's like oily at the same time. It's not combination. I know y'all might say combination, but no, it's not that. Does anyone also face that? Like in the summers my skin is super oily and I sweat, and in the winters my skin is super dry and I sweat. So I guess that's the issue. But yeah, if I get like a good loose powder to fix that, then nothing like it. Actually, that's the reason I don't do makeup much, because I'm like, it's gonna like sweat off anyway. Blush combo time, and now that I think about it, I should have like worn this before I wore like my base. So we're gonna try that some other time. And I was so tempted to reach for the like the Rare Beauty soft pinch blush, because y'all know I use that like all the time. But I'm like, I got a new blush, let's try it. So yeah, here is me. I have tried it before once, but not like with a brush. Speaking of which, the Real Technique brushes are really good. So yeah. Okay, that's pigmented, and if y'all can see it on the camera in the first go, I need to check in the mirror how, so I don't do like overdo it. I'll be right back. Blush blindness Pro Max, but we are living for it. Also for my eyes, I've drawn like this winged eyeliner, but with a brown liner, and this is the Catrice Calligraphic Artist in the shade Roasted Nuts. And y'all know I use the Essence Kohl to do like a smoky eye, and I was about to reach for that, but then I'm like, no, let's try this, because there are a few new products in my drawer lying from like December time, and I'm like, I need to try them like in my vlogs. I have tried them like off camera, but I'm like, I need to show you guys actually how it looks. So yeah, so I tried a few products. So I tried a few new products here and there for this look. Time for some setting spray. I also applied the Essence Fix It Brow Gel. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using the Fae Beauty's Lip Whip in the shade Grind. But before that, I'm going to have my lunch, so that's why I'm like, I'll apply my lipstick later. I thought I will just show it to y'all. And this is your sign to eat your food on time as well. So yeah, and if you're heading out for an event, eat your food and go. Don't go on like an empty stomach. I've said that before and I'm saying that again. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know a few days back I posted on my stories this bag, and they were having like a sale. So I got a bag. So there's a bag in a bag, and I think I want to wear this bag today with my outfit. So let's do an unboxing. Are you all ready? So this is the bag, and it's a sling bag. I'm going to carry this today. I think it matches perfectly well with my outfit. These are all my bag essentials. So my wallet, tissue, sanitizer, rubber band, my gloss, water, and pocket size perfume, which is the Laneige Bloom, which is also a dupe of Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. So I made a video on this, so make sure you'll check it out, where I compared dupes of this perfume. Also, that is the earring I'm going to be wearing. That's by Boho Craft Studio. Okay guys, I'm all ready, and let me take y'all with me. I'm in a city center, Mirdif. Bath and Body Works is like right here, and it's like so tempting, but we need to go to Lifestyle Center Point. TikTok show.
Yeah, this is really viral. Even this is viral.
Okay.
And then if you want to try the blush, this is also really good.
Thank you so much. It was fun, as you can tell, and I will show you all what I got in my goodie bag later, but first let's go to Bath and Body Works. And they don't have the new collection yet. 50% off everything after 11. I was so close to not buying this because they didn't have 50%, and then suddenly they did have the 50%. So now we can end the day with some dessert. Wanting to watch like a certain creator or like a certain YouTuber, like we all just crave their energy. Like sometimes I'm like, we want Sarah Sarosh's energy, or I want like Muskan's energy today, for example. So yeah, let me know if that is y'all too, because does it happen for y'all watching my videos as well? Because if you're like that, I will try to make like more vlogs. But yeah, I'm going to eat my breakfast and watch her latest vlog. The collection with the pistachio. wanted to shoot a sit down video. Guess the fragrance note. Another thing I got, Pinteresty.
to get it much worse. No! For evidence, I submit my...
This is my makeup drawer, which is not opening. So it's time to do a little cleaning. I finally managed to open this, and this is your sign to go clean that one drawer which you all have been postponing. So this weekend go do some decluttering, cleaning, and let me just sort this out quickly because yes, as you can see, I have organizers which are empty because all the products are out of it. So yeah, let's do some makeup, decluttering and cleaning. I have all these eyeshadow palettes and y'all do not need so many. I'm grateful I got some of them as a gift in PR, and some I just brought because of the packaging. So yeah, I'm just like grateful and I'll try to use them more. Okay, so a little update. In this I have my blushes and lipsticks, and in this rotating one I have my eyeliners, lip liners, mascaras, brushes and my fixing spray. Some random stuff here, my base products like tints and illuminators, more blushes, bullet lipsticks, and my base like powders and foundation, the highlighter. So this is my little update, and this is the after. Now I can find things. I took a little dish soap and water, and now it's time to wash my blenders and brushes. And this is your sign to wash your brushes too. Okay, keep them flat to dry, and you have fresh and clean beauty tools, makeup tools for your next look, and there is no better feeling than this. Also, if you find like your mom or sister or anyone in your family members makeup brushes that are not clean, clean them also and do a good thing. These two fragrances from Ibizu, and these are so gourmand delicious, if that's even a word. Like so delicious, a chocolate caramel dream. I'm not sure if these are like the original, but like I've been doing some researching and they do look original, but I'm not sure about this caramel one. But the chocolate fudge, oh my gosh. But yeah, these are two gourmand fragrance finds I thought I'll share with y'all. Sold out, but we found another. My favorite bhindi ki sabzi with roti. Thank you, mother. I love it. Happiness is home cooked good food.
My favorite.
Janitor Jim says the heat lamps make...
I watched the first episode in Korean and then I changed it to English, and then I'm like, nope, this sounds better this way. It's a lot more cuter. Do you guys agree too? And I used to be a person who used to only watch things which had like English audio, and now I'm this person. Who is she?
Else for me, I guess you won't mind if
I changed the audio to English, and no way, I'm just going to stick to Korean and change the subtitles to English because there's a charm to it, you know. I feel like the Korean dramas has that charm, and yeah, we are changing back. This is what I'm talking about.
너
Wait for
직원인
it.
건 안 들켰으니까 대신에 우리 집 치킨집 하는 거 알아버렸단 말이야. 어? 아니 어쩌라.
So cute. They celebrated Women's Day at my mom's work yesterday, and look at this pretty pink rose. I mean, pink roses over red. Such a girly thing. Also, they gave this chocolate strawberries. Okay, let's do my night skincare while I tell you a little story time about today. I was at the Bath and Body Works store today since they had their candle sale. And there was this one lady on the phone with her daughter, which I thought was like really cute. And she was buying like the candles that her daughter likes, which reminded me of like me and my mom. Then she asked for one specific candle, which I happened to overhear, and the sales associate over there told her that that was only in the holiday collection. But me being me knew exactly that that candle has been repackaged in their spring collection. So I told another sales associate over there that she is looking for this candle right here. And this smile on the lady's face was priceless. She said it was her daughter's favorite candle. And y'all know those moments in life where we search for things and then we finally find it. The sales associate then told her that I told him about it, and the lady said thank you and God bless. And that feeling, you guys, if y'all ever get a chance to help someone and y'all know something, please do it. That is why I'm sharing this little story time, because that feeling was something else. I just wanted to share this experience and how it really made me feel, and today is your chance to help someone too. And if Bath and Body Works Arabia, if you're watching this, this is your sign to like make me a brand ambassador or like partner with me, because the amount of research I've done in my life is nothing compared to how much I have researched like Bath and Body Works stuff. So yeah, it is out of like true, what do you call that, passion. But yeah, that was my little story time. Also, I want to thank you guys for like helping me choose a candle. And yes, I did choose the Cherry Blossom Pound Cake, which is a very nice, pretty spring scent. It's Japanese cherry blossom met strawberry pound cake, somewhere in between. So yeah, that was my little story time. Bye. Have a nice day.